In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for and set up your VoiceThread account. You want to go to voicethread.com, and then you want to find the sign in or register area. And what we're going to try to do is if you already have an account, you want to sign in. And that might take some hunting. You know, what is your login name? What is your password? If you can't figure that out, then you'll need to be like the rest of us and actually just register for the first time. So what most people will want to do probably is register. Again, you can't sign in yet till you get an account, so you want to register and enter in all of this information. So I've gone through and filled it out. Hopefully I've done everything correctly. And then you can click register. And it looks like there's already an account for that email. So I'm going to have to try a new pseudonym. It looks like I've already used this one before. Alright, so I'm going to try that again. I'm going to hit register. This, by the way, has nothing to do with VoiceThread. This is a RoboForm. This is a password tool that I use. So it's not a sign that something's going wrong. Alright, so it says you already signed in. Do you wish to sign out? So what I think what that means is that by registering, they actually went ahead and signed you in, because you can see right here it says majorvale@gmail.com. So from here we want to locate the place, because the next task after registering is to try to figure out how we put a picture up for our VoiceThread image. I'm going to go over to My Voice. This is kind of like your VoiceThread dashboard. And I am going to look at my account. And you want to figure out where it is that you put in your picture. So I told you from My Voice to go to My Account, but what you want is My Identities. And by default you have this image, whatever it is that they give you. They give you an image that is your image, but they do prompt you at various junctures to change your image. So you want to add an identity, and then from here we can select an image. Okay, so I'm going to select an image and browse to something that I just downloaded. Since this is a fake username I'm making, I'm not putting in my picture or anybody else's picture. Okay, and then you can use this cropping tool to focus in on whatever part of the image you want. I'll just keep it like that. Oh wait, it's not letting me save yet. It must need it to be a little smaller. Oh, you know what it needs? It needs a name. So you also have to add, part of your identity, I guess, is your name. So I'll just add this name, finish cropping my picture, and then hit save. Alright, done. So now if I go over to the group VoiceThread, and I went over there a little bit ago while you were on pause and tested this, and I actually added a contribution through this identity. Let's see what happens when I try to comment now. I'll hit comment. I'll go ahead and record. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, hit stop. It's processing. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'll go ahead and save it. And it still hasn't changed my identity, so I'm not really sure why. And sometimes with web-based tools like VoiceThread and YouTube, you have to wait 5 minutes for things to sort of take. I'm going to wait a minute with you on pause, and I'm going to test it one more time. I take that back. Because I'm an impatient person when it comes to technology, I'm actually going to go back to, notice I'm in the My Voice tab. I'm going to go into my identities again. I'm going to delete this other competing identity. I'm going to delete it, say done. Now I'm going to go over to the VoiceThread, and it still has my car. It says any comments that were made with that identity would be deleted. So I deleted that identity, and I actually closed that window to sort of let it really refresh the VoiceThread, and now you'll see I'm on the VoiceThread, and you can see my new identity, Major Vale, with the little boxer puppy. So if I wanted to comment here, For example, maybe I'll just type something and save it. Now my picture will be over to the side. I can click on it to see what this person, in this case me, what I said here. And I'm actually going to go ahead and delete that. So that's how you sign up and how you upload your image to establish an identity. And what I did remember was I only wanted one identity, so I didn't have two competing with each other. And that may be what you want to do. Thanks.